G'day guys and welcome back. Today I'm going to be taking you through an apartment in San Lucas, which is an area of Poblado. If you don't know where that is, then you should probably come to Medellin and check it out first before you actually buy an apartment, but I digress. We're looking at the laundry room that we just checked out there, and now we're moving into the kitchen. As you can see, all newly renovated, a beautiful island benchtop kitchen right there. And what I really like about this place is the interior design. Not every place is like this usually. You can see that someone with a keen eye has been working their magic in here. They've got some beautiful high ceilings there, but also I really like the color palette they've chosen here with the wood grain and the white. It really goes together really well, in my opinion. Anyway, this apartment is 138 square meters. It's got 2 bedrooms, and in each bedroom there's an ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet. As we just show you the little storage room here. The price on this one, 7.9 million Colombian pesos, which at today's exchange rate is about 265,000 US dollars. So see here is the first bedroom, nice and big. And now we're going to show you the bathroom and the walk-in closet. There's the walk-in closet, and as you can see, the bathrooms as well, completely renovated, all looks basically brand new. You don't have to do anything here. You can just move in immediately if that's your goal, or you can just chuck it straight up on Airbnb, start making some rental income. Here's the second bedroom. This one is a little bit bigger, I think, and we're swinging a right into the walk-in closet over here. Plenty of space in this one as well. And here is the bathroom. This one's got to be bigger because this one has the his and hers sink as well. And the nice big shower here to the left. The shower is a bit interesting, very interesting design. You basically walk in and there's a plant there. That's pretty cool, eh? So this place is on the 4th floor, which is actually the top floor. It has elevator access and it was fully remodeled just in 2024. That's why it looks so fresh and new. If you want to see this place or you want help finding something else in Medellin, just fill out the form that we left for you in the description and one of our agents will be in touch shortly. See you in the next video.